Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your guide to exploring the English language one word at a time. Today's word is breath. It's a B1 level noun that means air taken in or out, something we all do without even thinking about it. Let's start by looking at how breath fits into our daily language. Whenever we inhale or exhale, we are taking a breath. For example, you might say, take a deep breath before your big speech, or I could see my breath in the cold air. It's such a simple word, but it's at the heart of so many expressions and moments in life. Now, let's explore some synonyms for breath. Words like inhale, exhalation, and puff are close in meaning. You could say, he let out a slow exhalation after hearing the good news, or a small puff of air escaped as she blew on the candle. These synonyms help add variety to how you express the idea of breathing. On the other hand, antonyms show the opposite of breath. Words like suffocation or asphyxiation come to mind, though they are much more intense and specific. For example, you might say, the lack of oxygen caused suffocation in the sealed room. These contrasting terms remind us how essential a simple breath is to life. In everyday life, breath appears in so many contexts. You might hear someone say, I need a moment to catch my breath, or don't hold your breath waiting for that to happen, which means not to expect something anytime soon. We even use phrases like a breath of fresh air to describe something refreshing or new. Here are a few more examples of breath in sentences. The runner was out of breath after finishing the race. She whispered under her breath, hoping no one would hear. The calming exercise focused on slow and steady breaths. That's all for today's word, but let's quickly recap. Breath is a noun that refers to air taken in or out, and it's used in countless ways to describe physical actions, expressions, and even emotions. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using breath and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see how you use today's word in your own unique way. Until next time, keep breathing in knowledge and exhaling creativity.